Alright, so it's a beautiful fall day, and tonight I'm planning on cooking in the pizza oven here, and I have not opened it up since the last time I used it. When I get done using the oven, whatever wood is in there, whatever, I just spread it out as much as I can, then I put the door on and just let it burn out for the rest of the night. And then the result is that the inside of the oven looks a bit like this, which is not bad. You can see I got the wood tray there, which is pretty nice, but I don't use that every time. And then there's just ash that's left, and it's really not very much because these things burn so clean. So then to clean that out, I just have a metal dustpan and a natural bristle broom that I use to just sweep that ash out and scoop that out, and that's about it. So cleaning the oven is pretty simple. And then as far as cleaning, as long as you get the oven good and hot, like 750 degrees or so Fahrenheit, then you hit what's called pyrolysis, and all the weird carbon-based molecules and whatnot burn up, so you don't really have to worry about anything in there too much. So you just kind of heat it up, and it's like a self-cleaning oven essentially, but even hotter. So works really well. So all I do, get the ash out of there, and then get it good and hot the next time I use it, and I'm good to go. So I'm just gonna kind of really quickly get that ash out of there and take you guys along for that little bit. Here we go. Then that's just a metal dustpan and the brush from a broom. I guess it's a natural bristle broom that I don't bother putting a handle on. So I just scoop up what I need to. I just put it in a bucket. And that's from like 3 firings, what's in there, which is not very much. And I just go spread that around the yard. Here we go. That's all it took. A couple minutes time and she's ready to go again. Thanks for watching.